Hello and welcome to Excelwiz. In this video, I will guide you on how to add a spinner button in Excel. This is an interactive button that increases or decreases value of a cell by a set value. Take a second to subscribe to our channel for more awesome Excel tips. First, you need to add the developer option if you do not see it in your menu ribbon. To do this, click on File, then Options. Next, click on Customize ribbon on the pop-up menu. Lastly, tick on Developer under the main tabs and click OK. Now the Developer Option tab will appear on your menu ribbon. Click on the Developer tab, then navigate to the Controls section. Now click on the Insert drop-down menu, and finally click on the spinner icon. Left-click and hold as you drag the mouse to create a placeholder for the spinner. If the size suits your design, then release the mouse and the spinner button will appear. You can enlarge it or make it small by dragging the endpoints. As you can see, nothing happens yet when you click the buttons. This is because we have to link it first to a cell. To link it, right-click on the spinner and select Format Control. Now click on the Control tab to set the parameters. The current value is the value that you want the user to see fast. The minimum value is the lowest you want the user to select. The maximum value is the maximum number that you want the user to select. The incremental change refers to the number that will increase or decrease when the user clicks the buttons. Finally, to link to a cell by clicking on the arrow button. Then select your target cell. To get back, click on the arrow again. Finally, click OK to apply the changes. Now test the spinner button by clicking on the arrows. To change the incremental value or any other parameters, just right-click and select Format Control again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.